Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful frame with the papers, and this DIY is with no glue, only papers, and kids can make it, and it is fun to make and it is so colorful. And see, you can put the pics on both these sides. So let's start. So here it is. See, I have put the photo on both these sides. See, this is super cute frame. You can stick it on your cupboards, doors, walls, and the kids will love it. And I guess this is super easy to make just by folding the papers. No glue DIY this is. So please try, and if you are able to recreate this, please do comment to me on my channel. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.